Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to deposit funds into your Kraken account in 2025. It's going to be a quick one, so let's just jump into it. The first step is to log into your Kraken account. So go on Kraken's website and log into your account using your email address and your unique password. And once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to the deposit page by simply clicking on the deposit tab. So just click on the deposit tab. It's going to take you to the deposit page, and there you can select your deposit method, such as cryptocurrency, or you could do deposit through fiat currency. To just select the one that you want to use, and then you're going to need to enter the deposit amount that you wish to deposit into your Kraken account, and then just follow the deposit instruction that's going to be provided by Kraken, which may include sending cryptocurrencies to a specific wallet address or initiating a wire transfer if you're using fiat currency. And then just wait for the deposit to be processed. It may take a couple of minutes, or it could be a couple of hours, but just wait it out and then verify the deposit by checking your Kraken account balance, and from there you can start trading on Kraken once your deposit has been processed and verified. That's pretty much it on how to deposit funds into your Kraken account in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys